Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I am using zero brush for the highlight of the eye. You may use any brush which have the pointed, so you can exactly color it. Here I am using a different brush plus if you don't have a skin color, so as I use a red plus yellow color, so I can get a skin color shade. I have highlight the part. So never forget that when you're painting any drawing or any portrait, you should always highlight the parts. You should always remember that. So here I have highlighted the nose so it look attractive. Highlight the forehead, highlight the cheeks. Mostly these are the mostly the highlighted parts. So always highlight it. I mostly prefer the zero brush to draw eyes, so here we can get a perfect shape which you want. So mostly use a zero brush for the eye part for which you want to show more attractive. So it does the perfect job. So here I'm drawing the eyebrows, a perfectly lined eyebrows with using the zero brush. So you can here see I'm using the brown color. If you don't have a brown color, don't worry, you can use a red color plus a black color, so you can make a brown color shade perfect. Remember, whenever you're painting or portraiting with watercolors, always start with a light shade. So when you draw a light